Now we've calibrated the bending machine to produce a 90-degree bend in 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe. So let's set the limit switch so we can have repetitive 90-degree bends. We need to advance the marks that we put on the tabletop earlier so that we can set the switch. Remember the technique we used for jogging. Now that we have advanced the bending arm so the two marks that we put on the tabletop are aligned, we can set the limit switch for repetitive 90-degree bends in 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe. When tightening the screw, just pinch it tight. If you try to tighten it too much, you can damage the bracket.